Welcome to Drawing Mammal. In this video, I want to share with you 3 reasons why birds are such a joy to draw, while taking you on a quiet tour through my own sketchbook. Birds have some of the most interesting shapes in the animal world. Their shapes are so graphic, so clear and bold that even a simple sketch can carry character and story. Practicing birds sharpens your understanding of proportion and form. You learn to break things down, how much head compared to body, or how beak fits to the eye line. These skills translate directly into stronger drawing fundamentals. Reason number 2. 10,000 bird species on Earth. Every continent, every habitat, every climate has its own kind of birds, each with unique features, poses and behaviors. As an artist, that means endless inspiration. You can spend a lifetime exploring how different birds are built. You are not just drawing feathers, you are learning anatomy, movement, structure and life. Reason number 3. Birds are a feast of color and texture. Drawing birds teaches you to see more carefully, to notice transition in hue, how light falls on overlapping textures, how feathers form patterns over bone and muscle. This kind of observation is what makes your art stronger in general, not just bird art, but all art. So why draw birds? Because they are endlessly fascinating. Because they train your eyes, your hands and your heart to pay attention to nature. And because through drawing you get to know the world a little better and yourself too. Thank you for joining me for this quiet sketchbook tour. See you in the next video.